Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you are doing fantastic. I am going to be unboxing my December Vellabox. And if you do not know, Vellabox is a candle subscription that I have been enjoying for definitely close to 2 years now, maybe over 2 years. I love this. Me and my mom both get it. It ranges from $10 to $30, so there's 3 different options of $10, $20, or $30. I get the $30 option, which you get 2 candles, and in each box you also get like a little special surprise. And this subscription, they feature local artisans from the United States, so they make really high quality, small batch, hand-poured candles, and they usually always smell so amazing, so I'm super excited. I haven't opened mine yet, but my mom told me they smell really great, so I'm super pumped. But anyways, if you've seen my nails, again, like yesterday, it's the same day I'm filming. I have not yet gone and done them, so please ignore them. I'm sorry they're unsightly. Anyways, let's get unboxing. So it always comes in this cute yellow box. I can kind of smell already. I love this subscription. And if you get the $10 one, you get the smaller candle each month, and I think that's a great gift, and it's really affordable. So there's something in here. This is different. There's like a promo code for like a sleep drink. Like I'm so used to like energy drinks, not drinks for sleep. It's called Some Sleep. So if you want to take advantage of that and look into it more, there is that. And the candles are always wrapped up in these super cute little bags, and I reuse them because they're really high quality and adorable. So it says Happy Holidays. Let's see, there's usually another card. Yep. So there is a card underneath the candles that talks about where the candles are from and about the scents of each. So it looks like the candles are from 3 Leaf Studio that is based out of San Diego, California. So this is what the card looks like that comes with it. Hopefully it's focused. So I am going to get started with the bigger candle. So this is what the bags look like this month. Super cute. My all-time favorite month, I think it was 2 months ago or so, like in October, and it was like pumpkin. It was just so cute. They're usually very seasonal. So this looks like there's like little trees. I love the colors, super cute. Right, so the first candle is Orange and Clove. It is made of orange spices, cypress, and smoke with cinnamon and clove. Super cute, simple labeling. I like that. Orange and Clove. I'm excited to try this. Oh my god, it smells so good. It is definitely a winter scent. When you hear orange, you think more summery, but the clove, like seriously, brings out the winter vibes. So let's see what it says. So this says, after a long walk through the forest, nothing's better than sipping hot tea by a warm fire with fresh orange and clove simmer on the stove. Oh my god, I can't stop smelling it. All right, let's go on to the small candle. I'm excited to see what this one is now. It smells so good. And these candles seriously have great burn time. They last so long. I keep them on like all day long, all the time when I'm home. Oops, I already took the cap off. So this is Winter Forest, and it smells like evergreen and cedarwood with citrus and amber. So that is what the packaging looks like. Again, very simple but adorable. I like that a lot. This smells good too. It does smell like evergreen. Like trees. It reminds me, it smells like a Christmas tree. That's what it is. I love it. So it says that this one is reminiscent of hiking through the woods on a winter afternoon. This cool scent of crisp air, snow-covered trees, and the forest floor brings the richness of the outdoors inside. It smells so good. All right, and the bonus item, or like the special item, is by Aroma Floria Aromatherapy for Feet Steak Intense Repair Spa Foot Butter. So this has shea butter, vitamin E, and it also contains tea tree and mint. It's made of natural ingredients. So it says apply to feet and legs every night before bedtime. You will feel and see the difference. You know what, I feel like I've used this before, or something else that was like a tea tree oil based foot cream, and I would put it on and then put socks on. Like I'd layer it all over my feet and then put my socks on, and it really did like smooth out my calluses and make my feet feel a lot better, especially in the winter. Like you already have dry skin, so areas like your feet that are already prone to that, yeah, definitely helpful. Let's see what it says. So this comes from For Feet's Sake, which is based out of Huntington, New York. And it says they are dedicated to producing wholesome beauty products, and they use purest, safest, sustainable, and eco-friendly ingredients. It's woman-owned and operated. Awesome. So yeah, that is the box this month. I think it is so good. I love it. Okay, I'll stop smelling that, and I'm gonna grab my advent calendar. So the day I'm opening is the 18th. So this is the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar. If you've been following me, this has been a journey, 18 days already. So this rotates 360 degrees, and I see 18 right there. So I am just gonna pull that right out and put it down, and then set this big box down. All right, awesome. So the past few days we've gotten stuff from their Cherry Blossom line, and I think it smells so good. This is their hand cream. So yesterday it was like a shimmering lotion, and I already have that on my hands since I just filmed and tried it. It smells so good, you guys, and look how adorable the packaging is of this line. So cute. So that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for being here. If you love unboxings, this is what I do here every day on my channel. I love subscription boxes. I've been getting them for over 6 years, and I'm pretty much addicted, you can say. So definitely subscribe if you're into that stuff. Thank you so much for unboxing with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.